Most side hustles you see online are completely fake. They promise easy money but leave you with zero. Let's change that. With inflation hitting hard in the US and UK, everyone needs extra cash, but nobody has time for a second full-time job. I've tested dozens of methods to find the 3 laziest side hustles you can start today. No gatekeeping, just real, proven results. First is digital product arbitrage. People are making thousands selling simple planners on Etsy without designing them from scratch. Use ChatGPT to map out the content, then use free Canva templates to build it in under 10 minutes. It's that simple. List it on a free landing page and share it on Pinterest. Once it's up, it sells while you sleep. Minimal effort, maximum returns. Hustle 2 is faceless AI curation. These channels pull in millions of views and massive ad revenue without showing a face. Use AI for the script, an AI voice for the audio, and CapCut for auto captions. Post consistently, and watch the platform push your content. Hustle 3 is print on demand. Forget generic shirts. The trend now is hyper-specific, aesthetic text designs on premium hoodies. Use Printify to handle shipping. You don't buy inventory. They print and ship it only when a customer makes a purchase.
These are real, low-effort ways to build income. Subscribe for more wealth blueprints and comment which one you're starting.